The universe is old. Its age stretches beyond our comprehension, a tapestry woven from billions of years, each moment a thread in the cosmic fabric. Our planet, a pale blue dot suspended in the vastness, has spun for 4.5 billion years, quietly orbiting its star as eons passed and continents shifted. Human history is just a blink in that vastness, a fleeting moment compared to the endless ages before us, yet filled with stories, triumphs, and mysteries. Yet in that blink, stories are hidden, not in books but in bone. The Earth itself guards these secrets, waiting patiently for us to uncover them. Imagine a group of people who lived 6,000 years ago, gazing at the same stars we see, under untouched skies, their lives unfolding in a world unmarked by modern civilization. They walked the Earth before the pyramids were even imagined, before the first cities rose, shaping their world with stone and fire. We thought we knew our ancestry, but the cosmos always surprises us. Each discovery is a reminder that our past is more complex than we ever dreamed. Recently, scientists uncovered ancient skeletons, ordinary people, not royalty, carefully buried and preserved by time, their lives echoing across millennia. Within their bones lay an extraordinary secret, one that challenges our understanding of ourselves and the journey that brought us here. This discovery is like finding a new color in a rainbow we thought we'd mapped, a revelation that changes the way we see everything that came before. It reminds us that humanity's story is far from complete. Each new find is a chapter waiting to be written, a question waiting to be answered. These skeletons are more than remains, they're time capsules, messages from a vanished world, carrying whispers of lives once lived. The discovery pushes the boundaries of our knowledge, forcing new questions. Who were these people? What did they believe and how did they live? Where did they come from? Where did they go? Their journeys shape the world we know, leaving traces in our genes and our cultures. Their story is a missing piece in the grand puzzle of human existence, a vital link connecting us to our distant origins. We can't travel to the Stone Age, but science lets us listen to its echoes, piecing together the past from fragments left behind. These bones are one such echo, a clear signal from a lost world, resonating through time to reach us today. They invite us on a journey to understand not just them, but ourselves, to see our place in the long story of life on Earth. Every new discovery about our ancestors reveals something new about the path that led to us, right here, right now, a reminder that we are all part of a story still unfolding, shaped by the whispers of the deep past. This remarkable discovery didn't happen at a world-renowned archaeological site bustling with tourists and researchers, but rather in a quiet, almost forgotten region of the Carpathian Mountains, where few outsiders ever venture. Deep within remote caves, shielded from the elements, nature preserved fragile human remains for over 6 millennia, untouched by time. Archaeologists, initially searching for traces of early farmers, instead stumbled upon evidence that would spark a revolution in our understanding of human genetics. The excavation process was painstaking and meticulous. Each ancient bone and artifact was handled with the utmost care, and every detail was thoroughly documented to preserve the story they told. The skeletons were discovered in a communal burial, thoughtfully arranged with ritual and respect, a testament to a community that honored its dead and laid them to rest together. The limestone caves played a crucial role, neutralizing the acidic soil and preserving not just the shapes of the bones, but also the precious biological information locked within them. The bones themselves were subtly, yet unmistakably, different from others found in the region. A first tantalizing clue that these people didn't fit neatly into our established historical narrative. To ensure nothing was lost, the team created a detailed 3D digital map of the cave, preserving the context of every find forever in virtual space. Archaeology is inherently destructive. Once a site is excavated, it can never be put back. That's why careful, comprehensive documentation is absolutely crucial for future study. Yet, the real detective work would happen in the laboratory, where the ancient bones' deepest secrets, hidden for thousands of years, could finally be revealed through modern science. From the darkness of a forgotten cave to the bright lights of a high-tech lab, the journey of these ancient remains was only just beginning, promising to rewrite a lost chapter of our shared human story. How do you get a 6,000-year-old skeleton to tell its secrets? Through DNA, the molecule of life. DNA is a biological instruction manual, but after millennia, it's tattered and contaminated. Extracting ancient DNA is delicate work, done in ultra-clean labs. Scientists wear full body suits to avoid contamination, taking tiny samples from dense bone. The bone is ground to powder, then treated with chemicals to release DNA. What's left is a collection of tiny shredded fragments. Sequencing technology reads these fragments, producing millions of short genetic sequences. Powerful computers piece them together, aligning them with the modern human genome. It's like reassembling a shredded encyclopedia. Through this process, scientists reconstructed much of these ancient genomes. This achievement lets us read the life stories of people silent for 60 centuries. Their DNA reveals physical traits, disease risks, and most importantly, their relationship to other human groups. The moment of truth arrived when scientists finally compared the ancient genome to vast global DNA databases, searching for any sign of a connection to the present. They expected to find at least a distant link to modern populations, but to their surprise, there was none at all. The DNA simply didn't match any living group, anywhere in the world. It was as if these people existed on a genetic island, a unique branch of humanity that vanished without leaving any descendants behind. In the intricate tapestry of human genetics, we're all connected by countless threads, except this particular thread was cut, lost to time. Their genetic signature is utterly unique, a ghostly imprint in the record, hinting at a story that almost slipped away. They weren't direct ancestors of any modern group, nor did they contribute to the gene pool we know today. This discovery suggests that ancient Europe was far more diverse than we ever imagined, a true mosaic of distinct populations, each with their own story. Some groups became ancestors of modern Europeans, passing on their legacy. Others, like these, disappeared completely, leaving only traces in the earth. The absence of a genetic connection is profound. It reminds us that history is not just about those who survived, but also about the lost and forgotten. These silent skeletons give voice to a lost branch of humanity, showing that our existence is the result of a long, complex, and often unpredictable process. For every group that survived and thrived, others faded away, leaving behind only faint whispers in a cave and mysteries for us to uncover. Their story forces us to rethink the human journey, reminding us that the path of our species is shaped as much by loss as by survival. This discovery reshapes our understanding of human history. We once thought modern Europeans descended from three main groups: hunter-gatherers, Near Eastern farmers, and steppe migrants. But these skeletons don't fit any of those categories. They represent a ghost population, a group with no living descendants but a distinct genetic signature. Their existence shows our past wasn't a simple three-act play but a sprawling saga with many lost characters. Historians and archaeologists must now re-examine old remains. Perhaps others from this group were misidentified. New questions arise. How widespread were they? Did they interact with other groups? The story of our past just got more complex and more fascinating. It's like discovering a forgotten relative in an old family photo, making our story richer and more mysterious. This discovery introduces us to a long-lost branch of humanity. Now we're left with questions about their life and fate. To understand these mysterious people, we compare them to other ancient humans, Neanderthals and Denisovans. Neanderthals were our Ice Age cousins. Denisovans, even more mysterious, are known mostly from DNA. Modern humans carry traces of both, showing ancient interbreeding. Scientists asked, how do these 6,000-year-old people relate? Analysis showed they were Homo sapiens, not a separate species. They had the same baseline Neanderthal DNA as others of their time, but nothing unique. Their uniqueness developed recently within Homo sapiens itself. Unlike Neanderthals or Denisovans, these people were us, modern humans, who vanished while other branches survived. Their disappearance is a puzzle, a branch of our own family tree, thriving for a time, then gone. They are a closer, more intimate ghost in our recent past. Why does this discovery excite scientists? Because the greatest thrill is finding out we were wrong. These skeletons disrupt accepted models of human prehistory, energizing the field. Archaeologists revisit collections, geneticists face a new puzzle. Science is a dynamic process, fueled by discoveries like this. They remind us the world is full of mysteries waiting to be solved. Just decades ago, reading ancient genomes was science fiction. Now it's reality. We're in a golden age of discovery with new technologies opening windows into history. The excitement is twofold: the specific mystery, who were these people? And the bigger picture, how much more is left to find? It's like spotting a new island on the horizon, knowing it will expand our world. These bones are a new island on the map of human history. Scientists are launching their ships to explore it. The journey has just begun. Why does this matter? Because it's our story. Humanity's story isn't just about kings and empires, it's the biography of everyone who's ever lived. Understanding lost branches gives us a deeper, humbler perspective. Our existence wasn't inevitable. It's the result of a fragile, chance-filled history. This lost population teaches us about resilience and diversity. For a time, they thrived, adapted, and built a community. Their disappearance is a cautionary tale. Populations can vanish. It underscores the fragility of human societies. Their story enriches our identity, showing our family was more diverse than we thought. We are all mixtures of ancient peoples, surviving branches of a vast tree. These bones are part of our shared heritage. Studying our past helps us understand ourselves and navigate the future. These bones are a message from our family, a gift from the deep past. We are stardust. Every atom in us forged in ancient stars. Our driving force is curiosity. The story of these skeletons is curiosity in action, digging into the earth to understand our place among the stars. This discovery is a beginning, opening new avenues of research. Scientists will search for more clues to piece together this vanished people's story. Each new find adds another pixel to our picture of the past. We are a species defined by our need to know, to explore the unknown. This story celebrates that spirit. Next time you look at the night sky, remember the journey that brought you here and the lost branches like those who rested in a cave for 6,000 years. Their story, now brought to light, reminds us our cosmic story is still being written, with many discoveries yet to come.